Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super helpful guide on how to recover your Uphold account in 2025. If you've ever forgotten your password or lost access to your crypto wallet, don't panic, it's easier than you think. Uphold is a popular platform for managing digital assets, and with this step-by-step walkthrough, you'll be back in action in no time. Let's get started. First things first, head over to the Uphold website or open the app on your device. Look for the login page. That's your starting point. Once you're there, you'll see an option that says, Forgot Password, or Account Recovery. Click on that to begin the process. It's designed to be user-friendly, so no tech wizardry required. Next, enter the email address or phone number associated with your Uphold account. This is crucial because Uphold will use it to send you a verification code or a recovery link. Make sure it's the one you originally signed up with. After you submit that, check your inbox or messages for an email from Uphold. It might land in your spam folder, so keep an eye out. Once you get that verification email, open it and click on the secure link provided. This will take you to a page where you can reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password. Mix in some uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols for extra security. After resetting, you'll be prompted to log back in with your new credentials. One more important step. After recovery, go to your account settings and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. It's a game changer for keeping your assets safe from hackers. And remember, if you run into any issues, Uphold's support team is there to help. Just check their help center. There you have it, folks. Recovering your Uphold account doesn't have to be a headache. By following these steps, you'll safeguard your digital future. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.